Here's how to fix the keyboard on your iPhone. Now, if you're on your iPhone, maybe you just got an iPhone 16 or 16 Pro and the keyboard is not working. Maybe it's glitchy or lagging or you're not able to type normally. I'll show you how to fix that. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing we'll do is head into your settings here and we will tap on General and then scroll to the very bottom and hit the Shutdown button. So just by turning off your iPhone and then restarting it, a lot of times this fixes any kind of bugs or glitches within the phone itself, just kind of rebooting the iOS operating system. Now, after you've done that, you can scroll up a bit and you can see right below fonts is keyboard. Tap on keyboard here and tap on keyboards at the very top. Now on here, you can see I have English US keyboard and emoji keyboard. You're going to hit add new keyboard. And it doesn't really matter what you choose here. I'm going to choose, say, English UK. Now that I've added a separate keyboard, I'm going to remove my original keyboard, the English US, by swiping to the left and hitting delete. Now, keep in mind, it won't let you delete the one and only keyboard on there. So essentially, we've deleted our original keyboard, and we're just going to add it back by just kind of refreshing everything. So hit add keyboard, and we'll tap on English, and where is it? Maybe it's because I need to go back here. Let's tap on it again, hit add new keyboard, and then go to English. For whatever reason, I'm not seeing English United States. So English, and there it is, US. Now I can delete the UK version. Essentially what I've done is I've deleted the keyboard and reinstalled it. A lot of times this fixes any kind of bugs or glitches in it. The next thing we can do is go back here. If this still doesn't work, we can scroll to the bottom and hit transfer or reset iPhone. And we'll tap on reset here. And then we'll hit Reset Keyboard Dictionary. This resets your keyboard and a lot of features and functions within that keyboard and brings them back to factory defaults. And again, a lot of times this fixes your issue with the keyboard. The last thing I would recommend doing, if none of this helps, tapping on software update here and then just updating to the latest iOS. Currently it's iOS 18.1. And a lot of times if there are bugs or glitches in your keyboard, then they'll just be fixed with the iOS 18 or iOS later 18.2, 18.3, or iOS 19, wherever we're at. Basically just update to the latest version. And a lot of times that fixes any kind of issues. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.